The title of the story is A Perfectly Messed Up Story. It was written and illustrated by Patrick McDonald. This is Louie's story. Once upon a time, little Louie went skipping merrily along. Tra-la-la-la-la, he sang. For in his heart, Louie knew everything was just, hey, hold on, what's that? Sniff, sniff. Lick, lick. A jelly stain. How did that get there? This isn't right. Who would eat a jelly sandwich while reading my book? Plop. Jelly and peanut butter? Ugh! The chunky kind. Hey, hey, hey! Somebody's fingerprints are all over this. Oh no! What next? Orange juice? Oh, my story is getting all messed up. We need to show some respect here. Books are important. They teach us stuff, and they inspire us. Now, can I please get on with my story? Thank you. Okay, from the top. Once upon a time, little Louie went skipping merrily along. Tra-la-la-la. La. What? You have got to be kidding. This is awful. Quick, get a paper towel. Rub, rub, rub. Careful, careful. Oh, this is the worst thing ever. What am I going to do? Once upon a time, stop. Forget it. My story is ruined. It's all over. I'm just in a messy old book that will end up in a garage sale. A book no one will ever want, read, or love. I give up. Go on without me. This is Louie's story. Who cares? Once upon a time, little Louie went skipping merrily along. Tra-la-la-la-la, he sang. Oh, life was so much simpler back then. For in his heart, Louie knew everything was just what? Just what? Fine. Wow, everything is fine. I'm still here. You're still reading. And it is a pretty good story, messes and all. So come on, let's finish this. This is Louie's story. I love it, and nothing is going to stop me. The end. Things don't always go by the book. Whatever.